I just started this video blogging thing as a project to help me with my personal growth. It helps me with learning new skills, to feel more motivated to do things, to start new projects and finish them, to be more creative. I aim for a healthier and more sustainable lifestyle. And above everything else, I think putting effort into this shared project will help me appreciate and love what I have, where I am, the person I have become, and also the one I'm still becoming. Camille Pissarro said, "Blessed are they who see beautiful things in humble places where other people see nothing," and he and many others taught us through their art that it is totally possible to live by this motto. We can't wait to be happy until we have everything sorted out. We really need to learn to find our happiness during the journey. I recently learned the hard way we should stop limiting ourselves in order to achieve our goals. Too often, we establish inexistent rules in our heads which make us dependent on multiple unnecessary things or habits and prevent us from making real free choices. This limitation happens in every level of our lives. For many years, I told myself I wasn't able to sleep unless the room was completely dark. It is a small thing, but it made it difficult when traveling. And then I moved to a country where window blinds are not usual, and it turned out not only I could sleep, but I loved the new experience of waking up to the sunlight every morning. Those limitations, no matter how big or small, get worse with the added anticipated worry about them, and so we feel anxious in advance and try to control every single detail of our surroundings. It is a hard work to identify, accept, and let go all our self-imposed limitations. But that is the way to being flexible towards changes, to enjoying the flow of living, and to feeling empowered of our own lives. The only thing we have to remember every day is that things, as well as ourselves, don't need to be perfect to be good.